Got a Visa gift card lying around and wish you could just dump that money into Cash App? Well, you can't add it directly, but don't worry. There are some super easy workarounds that get the job done, and I'm going to walk you through them step by step so you can have that balance in Cash App fast. First off, Cash App doesn't let you link a Visa gift card the way you would a debit card. But here's what you can do. The simplest option is to use PayPal as a bridge. Just add your Visa gift card to PayPal as if it were a debit card, then transfer the balance from PayPal to your bank account. Once the money is in your bank, open Cash App, tap Add Cash, and move it right into your balance. Another option is Venmo, which works almost the same way. Add the card to Venmo, cash out to your bank, and then load that money into Cash App. Venmo can sometimes be picky about which cards it accepts, so PayPal is usually smoother. But both work. If those aren't your thing, you can sell the gift card online through sites that buy them for cash. They'll give you slightly less than the card's value, but they pay out to your bank quickly, which you can then add to Cash App. Or if you prefer to do it offline, you can even buy a money order with the card at places like Walmart, deposit it into your bank, and then pull it into Cash App. So whether you use PayPal, Venmo, a gift card exchange, or the money order route, there's always a way to turn that plastic into usable Cash App funds. If this helped you out, drop a comment letting me know which method you tried, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss tips like this that make your money work smarter. See you in the next one.